morning, children. Already you have learned second chapter numbers. Okay, in that we have followed Hindu-Arabic system. When I was teaching, I told about Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, now we are going to learn something new about Roman numerals. Okay, now before knowing about Roman numerals, how it was invented you must know, isn't it? Then only it will be very interesting to write. Okay, before writing we must know about the rules, how it was invented, all the things. So first you have studied about early humans. Early humans, they lived in jungle, they hunted animals for food and many etc, many things you have learned in social. Okay, so when they spoke with each other, they made different sounds, isn't it? They made different sounds to express themselves. So in that way, when they were writing countings, the number of animals or anything, animals in the caves or anything, what they did, they used to draw the animals and tell other people these many animals are in these caves or in this place, like that. So now what they did, if they have to draw 10 animals, that is easy for them. If they have to draw 100 animals, that is also okay. If they have to draw more than that, they used to draw the lines. Okay, they used to draw the lines and pictures. If it would be more than that, so they found very difficult to draw, so they made different symbols for countings. So in different civilization they followed different methods. In different civilization they followed different methods. So now we are learning about the place Rome. Their language is Latin. So they used Latin language, Latin letters for counting. They used Latin letters for counting. Okay. So here in Hindu-Arabic system, already I told you about 10 numbers, basic numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 0 to 9. So 10 numbers we had, and we followed place value system. Okay, this is the numerical system which we use for mathematical calculation, isn't it? But Roman numerals, usually in India we don't use for mathematical calculation, but still it is good to know about that, good to know to read the numbers, because it is still in use somewhere else. For example, when we write the classes, class 1, 2, 3, we write in the Roman numerals, isn't it? In some clocks you can see the numbers in Roman numerals. Even in the calendar also you can see Roman numerals. So in few places we can see Roman numerals, but still we don't use for calculation. Okay, but here what are the Latin letters they used for Roman numerals? They used only 7 letters for Roman numerals: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 7 numbers for Roman numerals. But Hindu-Arabic system we used 10 numbers, 0 to 9. Okay, but here only 7. But they used main 4 rules for writing the numbers. So before writing the numbers we must know the rules. Okay, we must know the rules. So you know that early humans, they used to draw the lines when they were expressing how many numbers, like that. So before finding out the symbols, so when they drew the lines, so that was the first rule for them. So any number can be written 3 times, not more than 3 times. 3 times it can be repeated. That is means the first one is I. So I can be repeated 3 times. Number 1, already I is there. Okay. Number 2. So here twice we have written. Okay. Twice we have written. Number 3 we have written thrice. Number 3 we have written thrice. Okay. So 3 times repeated till 3. Then what about 4? Isn't it? The first rule you understood. So now in this first rule also you must know this this I, X, C, that is 1, 10, 100. These 3 numbers can be repeated 3 times. These three numbers can be repeated. These three numbers can be repeated. These three numbers can be repeated. Okay. But these 5, 50 and 500. 5, 50 and 500. These three numbers cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. These three numbers cannot be repeated. In the first rule itself you have to remember. I told any number can be repeated only three. It can be repeated, cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay. In that also you have to remember 5, 50, 500 cannot be repeated. Only 1, 10, 100 can be repeated. Okay. Now the second rule. Let us go to 4. For 4 times I cannot be written. So what is the next letter is V, that is 5. So from 5 if we subtract 1 we get 4, isn't it? So subtract 1 we get 4. How to subtract? When we have to subtract any number we have to write left to that big number. Left to that big number. See, I is written left to the big number. Here I, V. V is a big number. The value of V is 5. The value of I is 1. So of course 5 is the big number. So left to the big number, if any number is written, that must be subtracted. That must be subtracted. Have you understood? Any number left to the big number, if it is written left to the big number, that must be subtracted. That must be subtracted. For example, 9, you see, from 10 we have subtracted 1, that is 9. From 10 we have subtracted 1, that is 9. Okay. Now in that also, subtracting also, VLD cannot be written to the left to the big number. VLD cannot be written left to the big number. कोई भी बड़ा नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ये तीनों नंबर को हम लोग लिख नहीं सकते हैं. दिस कैन नॉट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. दिस नंबर कैन नॉट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. This 550, 500, they are VIPs, cannot be repeated also, cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted. These three, 550, 500 cannot be repeated, cannot be subtracted. Okay. But these numbers can be repeated as well as can be subtracted. As repeated as well as can be subtracted. Okay. The third rule, any number written right to the big number. Written right to the big number. Written right to the big number. Now 5 is the big number. Then 1 is the small number. Now 1 is written right to the 5. So that must be added. Any number written right to the big number, that must be added. So it is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. So here 5 plus 1, 6. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. And here if you write 11, 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. You can add one number. If you write in the right side of that big number, that is added. Okay, have you understood? Third one, third rule. Now fourth rule. If you are writing any big number, if you are writing any big number, that is 2 digit, 3 digit, any number, first thing, for easy method I am saying, first thing you have to write in the expanded form first. Then if you are writing, it will be easy for you to write. For example, if I am writing, okay, 34. If I am writing 34, okay, first let me write in the expanded form. 30 plus 4, that is the long form. 30 plus 4, 30, that means 10, 10, 10. 3 times we can write. So 30 I am writing 10, 10, 10. Okay. Then 4. 4 you know how to write. So 4. So 34. Have you understood how to write the numbers? First I have written in the expanded form. After that you take each number, then you write. 30, I have written 10 3 times. Then I have taken 4, I have written 4. This is 34. Have you understood? Now you must listen this video again and again. You have to write in the copy 1 to 39. That is, only we used these numbers in this class. So you are by using these numbers you can write 1 to 39 thoroughly. So you will write in your copy 1 to 39. If you have any doubt, you have to watch this video again and again. Okay. Thank you.